Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're looking at two Philips espresso machines, both renewed, right? The 3200 series, B0819, 3D1RN, and the 4400 series, B0DNRMS1S5.
Yep, both fully automatic, which is a must for me. Tell me the big differences.
Well, the 4400 is newer, released in November 2024. The 3200 is from 2019. That likely means updated tech. The 4400 boasts 12 hot and iced coffee options. The 3200 just mentions 5 coffees.
Iced coffee sounds great. What about the milk frothing? I love a good latte.
Both use Philips's LatteGo system, which is supposed to be super easy to clean. The 4400 explicitly mentions it works with plant-based milk, which is a plus if you're into that. And it says it cleans in *10 seconds.
Wow, 10 seconds? That's impressive. The 3200 doesn't say anything about plant-based milk specifically?
No, it just highlights the silky smooth froth. Both have ceramic grinders with 12-step adjustments, so you can fine-tune your grind. And both use the aroma extract system for optimal brewing temperature.
So the core features are pretty similar. What about size and weight?
The 3200 is physically bigger, at 15 dx 10 inches WX 17H, and weighs 21.6 pounds. The 4400 doesn't list dimensions, but the image suggests it might be more compact.
Size could be a factor for my limited counter space. Anything else that stands out?
The 4400 has a color touchscreen display. The 3200 doesn't specify, so it's probably a more basic interface. Also, the 4400 has Quick Start for faster coffee.
Okay, the touchscreen and Quick Start are nice additions. What about the reviews?
The 3200 has 55 ratings with an average of 4.1 stars. People seem to like the taste and ease of use. The 4400 only has one 5-star review, so not much to go on there.
Right, sample size matters. And price?
The 3200 is around $599 renewed. The 4400 is listed at $799, also renewed.
Okay, $200 more for the newer model. It sounds like you get more features for the price, but the limited reviews are a bit concerning, especially since it's renewed. I'll have to think about it.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.